All right, do you have a little extra belly fat that you're trying to get rid of? Or do you have a lot of belly fat that you're trying to get rid of? All right, well, I'm about to show you the best exercise you can do to get rid of that belly fat fast. Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. In this video, I'm gonna tell you the best exercise you can do to help eliminate that belly fat rapidly, all right? You're gonna eliminate it fast. If I have to choose one, this is the one I'm gonna choose, all right? But first, before I even get into the exercise, I've gotta get into the food because you have to eat in a caloric deficit to get rid of any fat, all right? You're not going to outperform a bad diet. I'm sure you've heard that time and again, and there's a lot of truth to it. All right, if you're working your butt off 2 hours a day, but you're eating a large pizza every night, or you're eating processed foods every day, then you're not gonna get rid of that belly fat. So to get rid of the belly fat, you've gotta make sure you hone in on your diet. So make sure you're doing that first. Basically a caloric deficit, eating less food than your body needs, all right, to sustain itself. So you're wanting to make sure you're either burning more calories or creating a deficit through your nutrition. Whatever method you're choosing, you have to be in a caloric deficit. So just hone in on that, get the caloric deficit in, and then start eliminating the crap foods. That's the other thing. Eliminate the sugary foods, breads, pastries, processed food, fast food. Replace it all with good quality whole foods. And I don't mean forever. I mean, you don't have to do it for the rest of your life. You can still have some of those things in moderation. Don't get me wrong. This is a lifestyle choice. I want you to do this for a long time. I've done it for 30 something years. I plan on doing it the rest of my life. I still enjoy my food. I eat great 85% of the time. The other 15%, I'm still enjoying some of the other foods, all right? But the goal is to eliminate the fat first. Get rid of all of that crap. Build up a little muscle, and then you can do some of those things. You can enjoy those good foods, all right? But for now, for the sake of this video, we are gonna get that fat off of your gut. So to do that, create a caloric deficit. Once you've got your caloric deficit, get rid of the crap foods, eat good, lean protein sources, grass-fed beef, lean chicken, fish, eggs, all right? There's a lot of good sources of protein that you can use. And you also want good carbs. Make sure you're getting rice, potatoes, quinoa. You wanna make sure you're getting your good carb sources, all right? Some veggies, a lot of veggies, and you can even do steel cut oats. I do that quite a bit. And even fruits in moderation. So you wanna have good carbs because not only is it about the macros, but it's about the micros. And carbs have a lot of vitamins and minerals that are gonna be healthy for you and help you along the way. Towards losing that fat. All right, so also fats. Let's get into the fats before I get into the exercise that you're waiting to hear. All right, so the fats, good essential fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, oils, olive oil. Make sure you're getting good oils, olive oil, coconut oil, fish oil. Those are some of the better oils that you can choose. And if you're doing those foods in a caloric deficit, then you're gonna start eliminating some of the fat already. Now, when you plug in anabolic cardio, which is my exercise of choice, all right? You've got one exercise, go all in on that anabolic cardio because anabolic cardio is gonna provide tremendous benefits. You're gonna get metabolic benefits. So you're gonna have a boosted metabolism, you're gonna get hormone boosted benefits, so your hormone levels are gonna rise, and muscle building benefits. So all three of those are key if you're trying to burn fat, especially fast, okay? You wanna do it quick, you've gotta make sure you're doing the right type of cardio. No slow and long. I combined the two words. No slow, long duration cardio. No 45-minute walks on the treadmill, not even marathon running, all right? That's bad for your hormones as well. I'm talking short, quick, intense bouts of sprints. They can be sprints on a track, sprints on a bike, on a rower. There's a lot of ways you can do sprints. I love utilizing the rower. I've got an air bike here that I use. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's what I do all my sprints on. So basically you're doing short intervals, all out sprinting, followed by moderate or slow rest periods, another all out sprint, another rest period. So you're gonna do that for 10 to 15 minutes. You can go up to 20 minutes once you're there. Once you're conditioned well enough, fit enough to do a 20-minute all out interval sprint, then you can do that as well. But man, if you're doing anabolic cardio, you're combining it with the good eating habits, that fat is gonna go away like that. So keep that in mind. But anabolic cardio is my exercise of choice. All those benefits are the reason why. If you got any questions about exactly how to incorporate it, ask in the comment section and we can get some answers to you. Also, we've got my Ripped After 40 program. There's a free workout you can get. If you go to the link in the description box, get a free Ripped After 40 workout. My Ripped After 40 program actually has anabolic cardio incorporated into it. There's MET circuits, there's high interval intensity training circuits. So it's got a little bit of everything, resistance training that's gonna help speed up all your fat boosting benefits as well. So make sure you check that out if you haven't already. And also there's some videos over here that you can click on. You can check out, get more information on workouts, on some other cardio circuits you can do, ab circuits you can do, because once you strip off that fat, you wanna make sure you have some nice looking abs underneath it. So I've got tremendous ab workouts you can do while you're getting the fat off. That way you'll be able to showcase something really nice, some nice sculpted abs. All right, but guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Click on the little subscribe button, also the bell icon. That way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. But other than that, man, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.